Smell it. Smell it through the camera. Is there a feature on YouTube where you could send a smell? What's up, guys? We're back. It's my favorite day of the week. You already know what it is, Steak Sunday. Today, I'm really excited. I'm very excited because we have an amazing piece of meat here with us today. Big shout out to the guys at Standard Meat Club. What we have right here is an Australian Wagyu ribeye. It's a BMS 6.7 and it's been dry aged 45 days. We're sitting about 18 to 20 ounces of pure delectable goodness. So let's get right into it. Now, what I think is really cool and unique about this piece of meat is, first off, the size and the thickness, right? Like, if for a ribeye, it's very small, but what they did, I think, to counteract that a little bit is it's like a solid 2 inches thick, which is amazing. And you can just see the edges look a little dark. You can tell it's dry aged, right? In addition to the fact that it's shrunk down so much. So, you know, I'm looking at this piece of meat and thinking, especially considering it's a high graded Wagyu piece of meat, in combination with the dry age, this thing's gonna be absolutely popping. So seasoning wise, I'm just gonna keep it real simple. I have a really cool rosemary sea salt. I love rosemary, I'm a big rosemary guy. So I'm gonna hit it with a little rosemary sea salt and then just some simple black pepper. Get both sides. And it's actually crazy. If you look at this thing, it's almost a cube because it's shrunk down this way, but then if you look at the thickness, it's literally almost as thick as it is wide. So really, really cool steak. I'm gonna season every side. Big shout out to my wife, Madeline. Hooking it up with the rosemary sea salt was a great gift. Black pepper. Now that we have this all seasoned up, time to throw it on the grill. What we're gonna do with this piece of steak is we're gonna reverse sear it low, get it up to temp, and then finish it off hot and get a nice crust. So let's do it. All right, we got our Traeger heated up. It's set at 205. Right now it's sitting about 202, super smoke. So I'm gonna put this meat thermometer right in the center here and toss her on there. Nice smoky smell, I love that. All right, we're gonna put her on there. Now we wait. We just pulled the steak off. We're at about, let's call it 110 internal. And now I got the burrito fired up. Put a couple extra pieces of wood on there and a little olive oil. Keep that nice and slick. And we're going to sear the heck out of this steak. Get a nice crust on her. Let's do it. Okay, all right, here we go. We're heated up. Put this guy on there, see how it goes. Yes. The only thing I'm a little nervous about is I haven't cooked on this plate, so it might stick a little bit. If it sticks, I'm sorry, that's on me. Get the flip, brother. Sexy. That's just hot. No pun intended. Smell it. Smell it through the camera. Is there a feature on YouTube where you could send a smell?
Nope.
There should be a feature where you could send a smell through a microphone. You know what the problem would be? People would just send farts. Steak's done, it's up to temp, it's rested. Last things last, little hickory smoked sea salt, Steel City Salt Co. Pretty sweet, so put a little bit on there. Now ready to cut it up, let's do it. Like that. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Perfect medium rare. Mmm, it's really nutty, really nutty.
What? What the?
But it looks amazing. Let me eat that corner. Mmm, very good. The rosemary salt combined with the hickory salt, now we're talking. It's fire. super rich, like crazy rich. This is pretty solid. To be 100% real about this, transparent, I'm not a huge dry age guy. I really like this steak. I prefer just either regular or wet age steaks. The nuttiness is a very specific flavor. I like it a lot. It's fire, very good. Overall, I'm gonna go 7.7 out of 10. I cooked it perfectly. Let's be real, I did an amazing job. It's perfect medium rare. The crust is on point. I'm just not a dry age guy. Great quality steak. I'm gonna enjoy this. I just prefer either just a regular steak or wet age. So there you have it. Now the important rating. Tony, come here and give this to Saint. Let's see what the Sainty rating is. What do you think, bud? That smell good? Try it. Oh, it's going down a little rough. What was that, 8? 8 out of 10? I think he said 8 out of 10. That's terrible. Yeah.
Tony!
Did you get it?
It is a specific taste.
It's specific.
Nutty.
Very rich. It's like, well, imagine like a steak twice the size of this and all the flavors. Yeah, basically dry aging, what it does is it just dehydrates it. So it takes all the water out. So you just get a more intense flavor.
It is cooked perfectly though.
Yeah, I mean.
Well, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellent.
And it's like, it has a little bit of structure to it even though it melts in your mouth.
It does, it does. All right, that's it for Steak Sunday. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe and do all that cool stuff that I don't really know about, but whatever it is, do that or you don't get any steak. Oh, dead mosquito. This shiz is about to get hot. I do not chase girls. They run a mile for me. This is a lot of effort for me, so give me a second.
Sorry.
All right, are we ready?
We're ready.
Last things last, a little hickory smoked sea salt. It's not coming out. We're gonna try it again.